Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. I change my menu constantly and sometimes I buy ingredients that I may use for just one recipe. A perfect example is snap peas. After making a stir fry, I might not need them anytime soon for another recipe. Instead of throwing them out, this is what I do. So my friends, let's get cooking. The first thing we'll do is to break and tear off the stems. Then pull the string before discarding it. Voila! Just like this. Now, in a pot with boiling water, we'll dump in our snap peas and set the timer for 1.5 minutes. We might want to push them down a little. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat and immediately drop them in an ice bath using a slaughter spoon. We'll leave them in for a couple minutes. This is what we call blanching. 2 minutes later, we'll remove them from the bowl and place them on a cutting board lined with paper towels to absorb the excess water. Then we'll place them on a baking sheet lined with a silicone mat or wax paper, making sure they don't touch. We'll transfer to the freezer and leave them in until frozen. Later on, we'll place our frozen snap peas in a resealable freezer bag and return them back to the freezer until needed. As you saw in this video, if you don't use them right away, you'll be able to save them with this trick. I hope you enjoy tips and tricks of the day. And for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!